Welcome to The Explainer. If you run a small or medium-sized business, you are probably hearing about AI constantly. But let's cut through the hype. What does it actually mean for you? Today, we're breaking down how you can strategically use AI not just to compete, but to truly future-proof your business.
So, let's start with the one question that seems to be holding a lot of business owners back. You see the headlines, you hear all the buzz, and you have to wonder, is this AI stuff a luxury? Something my business can't really afford, or maybe doesn't even need? It's a critical place to start.
And the answer really is a clear and simple no. The game has completely changed. In today's market, which is more competitive than ever, adopting AI tools has gone from being a nice-to-have advantage to an absolute necessity. It's about survival and growth.
This big shift from a luxury item to a must-have is what we're calling the new AI imperative. But look, this isn't about pressure. It's all about opportunity. So let's dive into what this can actually unlock for your day-to-day operations.
The opportunity here isn't about chasing some futuristic sci-fi dream. It's about unlocking real, tangible value in three key areas. We're talking about boosting your efficiency by automating all those repetitive tasks that just eat up your day. We're talking about dramatically improving your customer's experience with instant, personalized support. And we're talking about driving smarter, data-backed decision-making.
Now I get it. The idea of implementing AI can feel massive, maybe even a little daunting. But the key to getting it right is a really simple, powerful philosophy. Start small and win fast.
The whole strategy here boils down to one idea: incremental improvement. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire business all at once, you just focus on making small, continuous changes. It's these small victories that build real momentum and create a culture where innovation can actually happen.
This four-step process is basically your roadmap. First, you pick one manageable pilot project, let's say a simple chatbot for your website's FAQ section. Second, you measure that quick win. Did it reduce customer emails by, say, 20%? Awesome. Third, that success builds your team's confidence. They see it works. And fourth, you use that momentum to scale up and tackle the next project. It becomes a really powerful cycle.
Okay, this all sounds great, but it brings up a huge question. Where do I even get the skills to get started? Well, thankfully, a fantastic new resource is popping up to solve that exact problem.
The answer is something called AI hubs. Think of these as community-focused learning centers. They could be online, they could be local. Their entire purpose is to make AI approachable and practical. They're there to demystify this stuff and give you and your team the hands-on skills you actually need. And the benefits here are incredibly practical. You get centralized learning, so you're not just scrambling all over the internet for good info. You get hands-on workshops with tools you'll actually use. You can network with other business owners who are facing the exact same challenges, and crucially, these hubs are designed to be cost-effective, which is perfect for a small or medium business budget.
And this isn't just theory, you know? This approach is already delivering real, tangible results for businesses across all sorts of industries. Let's just look at a few quick examples.
Take financial services. Small firms are now using AI to punch way above their weight. They're improving their risk analysis to make smarter moves and automating things like portfolio management to boost their efficiency. In retail, it's all about getting personal. AI is helping small businesses understand what their customers want, sometimes even before they do. That drives sales with personalized marketing and helps them use smart forecasting to finally get a handle on those inventory headaches. For manufacturers, AI is an absolute game changer. Imagine knowing when a machine needs servicing before it actually breaks down. That's predictive maintenance, and it can save a ton of money by preventing that costly downtime.
And it's even transforming healthcare. You've got small clinics using AI chatbots to streamline appointment bookings. That doesn't just improve the patient experience, it frees up critical staff time for actual patient care.
So how can you put all of this into action? Let's take everything we've talked about and distill it into a simple, actionable playbook that you can start using pretty much today.
And you know what the best part is? This doesn't have to be complicated. We can boil this entire strategy down to just 4 crucial steps.
Here it is, your launch plan. First, identify the biggest pain points in your business where AI could help. Second, find an AI hub that fits your needs and your budget. Third, develop that small pilot project so you can score a quick win. And fourth, measure the results and then iterate. It's a straightforward loop to get you started.
But launching AI isn't a one-and-done kind of thing.
Once you've gone through that first checklist, you've got to shift into a continuous cycle to keep your edge. This means you're constantly assessing where you are, you're staying engaged with those hubs to keep learning, you're piloting new high-impact projects, and you're always monitoring what's new to stay ahead of the curve.
At the end of the day, taking these steps is about so much more than just a small boost in efficiency. This is about fundamentally securing your company's future in a world that is getting smarter every single day. And that really is the heart of it all. This journey isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. When you use these resources and you focus on small, smart wins, you can confidently adopt the technologies that are going to help your business truly thrive.
The future isn't on its way. It's already here. So the only question left is this: are you ready to lead?